Hi everyone, welcome back to Throttle Blaze. Have you ever wondered how modern cars can brake automatically, keep you in your lane, or even drive by themselves? Is ADAS really useful on Indian roads, or is it just another feature to increase the car's price? In today's video, we will explain everything about ADAS from level 0 to level 5 in a simple language with real life examples and answers to the question every Indian car buyer wants to know. So, without wasting time, let's get started. So, going to the first topic, what is ADAS? You can pronounce ADAS also. ADAS stands for Advanced Driver Assistance System. It uses cameras, radar, ultrasonic sensors, and a powerful computer to help the driver avoid accidents and make the driving safer. Now, going to the next topic, levels of ADAS. Now, let's understand the different levels of ADAS. ADAS is divided into 6 levels from level 0 to level 5. As the level increases, the car takes on more driving tasks while the driver's responsibility decreases. Now we will go to the details of all levels. Number 1. ADAS level 0. No automation. Level 0 means there is no driving automation. The driver is fully responsible for steering, braking and acceleration. The car may have the basic safety features like ABS or airbags, but it doesn't assist with driving. Number 2. ADAS level 1. Driver assistance. At level 1, the vehicle does not control steering and acceleration together. It assists with only one function at a time. For example, lane departure warning only alerts you if you are leaving your lane. It doesn't steer the car back. Similarly, forward collision warning only gives a warning. Some level 1 systems like adaptive cruise control can control speed, while lane keep assist can provide steering support, but they didn't work together as a combined driving system. If you want to know the difference between cruise control and adaptive cruise control, please comment below. Number 3. ADAS level 2. Partial automation. Now, let's talk about ADAS level 2, which is the highest level commonly available in India today. In level 2, the car can control both steering and speed at the same time. That means it can accelerate, it can brake, it can keep the car in the lane. But remember, driver is fully responsible. Your hand should stay on the steering wheel and you must always pay attention to the road. Today, many brands like Mahindra, Tata, Hyundai, Kia, MG, etc. use the level 2 ADAS in selected models. The Honda Amaze is one of the most affordable cars in India to offer ADAS level 2. Common ADAS level 2 features are adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, forward collision warning, autonomous emergency, blind spot monitoring, high beam assist, driver attention monitor, etc. Now, let us talk about the challenges and limitations of ADAS level 2. Heavy rain, fog or poor visibility, dirty camera or radar sensors, faded, missing or newly tarred roads without clear lane markings, motorcycles, pedestrians or animals behaving unpredictably. Forward collision and automatic emergency braking may not react in every situation, so the driver must always stay alert. If you want a detailed explanation of each ADAS 2 feature like lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, forward collision alert, let me know in the comments. I will make a separate video for the same. Number 4. ADAS level 3. Conditional automation. In level 3, the car can drive by itself in specific condition such as on approved highways or in slow moving traffic. Unlike level 2, the driver doesn't have to continuously monitor the road while the system is active. However, if the car asks the driver to take over, the driver must be ready to take control within a few seconds. Now, let's see which are the countries using ADAS level 3. Level 3 is available only in a few countries with legal approval, including Germany, Japan, and in United States, limited states such as California and Nevada. Now we will see the cars with ADAS level 3. Mercedes-Benz S-Class and EQS. The ADAS system is known as Drive Pilot. And Honda Legend. The ADAS system is known as Honda Sensing Elite. Features of ADAS level 3. Control steering, acceleration and braking, maintains lane position, gives a takeover request when the system reaches its limit, monitors the surroundings, handles stop and go traffic, etc. Let's see the challenges and limitations of ADAS Level 3. Works only on approved roads and under specified condition. Heavy rain, fog, or poor visibility can disable the system. Sensors and cameras must be clean, not designed for city roads with unpredictable traffic. Driver must take over immediately when requested. If the driver doesn't respond, the vehicle will perform a safe stop. Now there is a common doubt came to everyone's mind who is listening to this. Is ADAS Level 3 available in India? No. As of now, no car in India officially offers certified ADAS Level 3 for public use. Indian cars currently offer up to ADAS Level 2. ADAS Level 3 is a big step towards self-driving cars, but it's still not fully autonomous. It only works in specific situations and still needs a driver to take over when required. That's why it's not yet available in India. Number 5. ADAS Level 4 High Automation. Level 4 is almost a fully self-driving car. At this level, the vehicle can drive on its own without any help from the driver, but only in specific areas and under specific condition. Unlike level 3, the driver doesn't need to hold the steering wheel or be ready to take over while the system is operating in its approved area. Level 4 is currently used only in limited pilot projects in countries like USA, China, and UAE. They are mainly robotaxi services, not personal cars. So, ADAS Level 4 is almost a fully self-driving car. It doesn't need the driver to take control, but it can only operate in specific mapped areas. That's why Level 4 is still not available in India. Number 6. ADAS Level 5 Full Automation. Level 5 is a completely self-driving vehicle. At this level, there is no need for a driver. The vehicle can drive anywhere, anytime, under all road and weather conditions without any human intervention. As of today, no company has launched a true SAE Level 5 vehicle for public use anywhere in the world. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, Mercedes, Baidu, Toyota, Zoox are still testing and developing this technology. So, ADAS Level 5 is the ultimate goal of autonomous driving. A car that can drive itself anywhere without a driver. But as of now, Level 5 is still under development and is not available in any country. Some of you might see in YouTube or you may travel to Dubai, you will see the autonomous cars over there. These are autonomous taxis operating in limited pre-mapped areas under specific condition. They are generally considered level 4 autonomous vehicles, not level 5. Now, let's move on to the Q&A session. We are discussing only ADAS level 2 and this is the most common ADAS technology available in today's cars. I will try to answer most common question people have in a simple and easy to understand way. Question number 1. Why did ADAS come into the market? ADAS came into the market to improve road safety. It helps prevent accident by assisting the driver with warnings and automatic safety features. Question number 2. Does ADAS work on all roads in India? No. ADAS works best on well-marked highways. It may not perform properly on roads with faded line, marking, heavy traffic or poor weather. Question number 3. Can ADAS prevent every accident? No. ADAS reduces the risk of accident, but it cannot prevent every crash. The driver is always responsible. Question number 4. Can ADAS detect bike, pedestrians and animals? It can detect many of them, but not in every situation. Always stay alert and never rely completely on ADAS. Question number 5. Is ADAS worth buying? Yes, if you frequently drive on highways, it reduces driver fatigue, improves safety and make long drives easier. But remember, ADAS is an assistant, not a replacement for the driver. I hope I have explained everything clearly from ADAS level 0 to level 5. I also hope all your doubts are cleared and you now have a better understanding of how ADAS works. If you still have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I will answer them and make more simple automotive videos like this. If you want a detailed explanation of each ADAS level 2, just comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Throttle Blaze. drive safe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.